Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cartoon Network on TV step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your television. Navigate to the main menu using your remote control. Locate and select the App Store option on your TV. Search for the Cartoon Network app in the App Store. Once found, select the Cartoon Network app to open its details page. Choose the option to download or install the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the app is installed, launch the Cartoon Network app. You will see an activation screen prompting you to sign in or activate. Take note of the activation code displayed on the screen. Now, using a mobile device or computer, open your web browser. Visit the Cartoon Network activation website provided on the screen. Enter the activation code from your TV into the appropriate field. Follow the prompts to sign in with your cable provider account if required. Once signed in, confirm the activation request. Return to your television. The Cartoon Network app should now be activated and ready to use. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on Cartoon Network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.